Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods, and one more time, a king size royal bed, luxury bed in teak wood and teak gold paint, and here it is. The work, the workmanship, the artistic work that we talk about, and the talent we have is visible in this unit right here. When we talk about king size bed in India, the size is 6 feet by 6.5 feet mattress area. In beds, we have a few things: bed back, bed front, obviously, in every bed, then the storage part. So, either it could be with storage or without storage, depending on the mattress thickness you use. Mattress comes in 4 inches and it can go up to 18 inches wide also. So, if we have very thick mattress, the storage doesn't make sense. So for 5 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches mattress, the storage works very nicely, and this is hydraulic storage. Hydraulic means it's very easy to open and similarly very easy to close. And the best part is in this type of storage, you get complete open area. Generally in market, when you get storage that opens from the front, what really happens is if you are here and the storage opens from the front, we have made it earlier. I'll play a small clip here. It goes slanting like this, 45-degree angle. So the back part, you get very less space to put the stuff inside because it will be like this here. Here you have complete open area, so I can access this part and easily use the complete storage area. Other option for this one is the side drawers. So you can use drawers on the side. We have made that earlier too. A small clip I'll play on the screen. So the drawers, you can get both sides, or you can go for dual option, drawer as well as one side openable, top load, this same process. In some cases, we have seen the some manufacturers make the storage with the hinges in the middle, so it can be opened from this side and this side both. In that case, hydraulic is very difficult to install. So this one so far is the best option for hydraulic storage, side opening. Other thing is it's quite easy also. Just slide the hand underneath the mattress and pick it up. In this bed, we have a couple of things. One is the side. If you see the side, you will see the entire carving, and the design goes in the entire side area. When we have carving on the side, this part is also wood. So in this bed, the back, the front, and both sides are in wood. The middle area is ply. When we have plain sides, then we make the entire box in ply. Very simple installation. Two boxes, back and front. We need to place two boxes together. Put the back, there are two holes. Insert the screw, tighten the bolt on both sides, and done. The total installation takes not more than 5 minutes. Other thing about this bed is the customization part. Arson makes what you want, not what we have. And if you have seen our catalog, we have made so many designs already. This has happened because people have given us different ideas, and that too from across the globe. They wanted something, we created that, and finally a new model came up. Now in this bed set, if you see, we have side tables. I'll bring this in the front. Oh, it's a little heavier. Okay. Now this one is in a shape of a proper side table that we have along with a sofa set. And this design is customized with a drawer in front. And if you see the back, it's plain back because it's going on a wall. The regular table for a sofa set is completely the same design on all sides, but this is going to a wall, so back is plain. And there are also designs that goes on the wall itself, installed on the wall. So there are half designs and that are also available. So the point here is we will make what you like and not what we have. Design, color, size, fabric, anything you want to change, you let us know. We make that in the required setup and we deliver to your place in India or out of India. We are an international trademark in 35 countries, and we are doing business in 55 plus countries, and more countries are adding now. So anywhere you are, you're looking for something beautiful like this, solid teak wood furniture that is durable, artistic, and beautiful, and at factory price. Factory price, because we are the makers, we are manufacturers. We are not traders. We are not buying from somewhere else and delivering the stuff to you. So just taking the commission. No, we are making it here, and that's why we can give it to you in best deal, best prices, along with the delivery at your home. Any questions you have, any comments you have, more than welcome. The number is right here. If you have any inquiries, please call us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.